Hello, welcome back once again. Please subscribe if you are new here. So today we are going to learn how to make this delicious authentic garden egg stew. Ingredients you use in making this stew: your garden eggs, pepper, tomatoes, and this also is my abadru. You also need your red oil, your fish. For me, I used tuna, and your onions. I washed my garden eggs into my saucepan and I placed it on fire. I added the abadru, yes, and I boiled it to cook. This is my momoni. So I placed the momoni first in the red oil, as you can see. Then later on I added my onions. I blended my pepper and onion together in a blender. So after the onions fried a little, I added my blended pepper and onion. Let it simmer for a while and add your chopped tomatoes. So after this simmer also for a while, I went ahead and added my fish. This is the salt and Maggi I'll be adding for it to taste good. After this also simmer for a while, I'll go ahead and add my abadru. Please give me the English name for it in the comment section. After blending this into a smooth paste, I'll go ahead and add it to my stew. So from here, I don't want my garden egg stew to be too smooth, so I'll use the fork to flake this into smaller pieces, and I'll blend some also, all in addition into the stew. Here is the remaining of the garden eggs that I'll blend into the stew. After adding this, I'll let it simmer for a while, then it's ready to serve. As you can see, I can serve this with ripe plantain or your unripe plantain. So delicious and nice to go with. Thanks for watching.